Let's unlock your full potential and elevate your life to new heights. I'm James Vincent, I'm the leader of ActionCOACH UK, and I'm here to guide you through the expansive world of personal development. And importantly, I'm going to show you 3 books that hold the power to reshape the person that you become. So what's book number 1? Book number 1 is this book here. It's Think and Grow Rich by a gentleman named Napoleon Hill, originally written in 1937. This book is still to this day the most accepted leadership philosophy of all time. Now, some books, they can inspire you. Some books can move you. This one has the ability to literally change you. The chapters include the power of thought, desire, faith, auto-suggestion, knowledge, imagination and the power of imagination and idea creation, planning, decision-making, persistence. We all know that's a high-performance trait. Mastering your mind, outwitting fear, and wisdom. What's book number 2? Book number 2 is 7 Strategies for Wealth and Happiness by a gentleman named Jim Rohn. This is an easy read, it's simple, it's practical, it's short as well, and it will change everything that you do. The chapter on goal setting is called Unleash the Power of Goals. What a beautiful heading, and that's exactly what it does. And that chapter is single-handedly the best chapter on goals that I've ever read across hundreds of books. And as Jim Rohn says this, all leaders are readers. He also says a few simple disciplines repeated every single day will result in more success than you can imagine. So make one of your disciplines reading, and definitely choose that book. So what's book number 3? This is called Being the Best. It's a great title, isn't it? And this is a book that you can sort of pick up and put down, and also it's great for young people as well. So it doesn't really matter your age on this one. I've got young children and I encourage them to read this book, and it can and will resonate. Now, the book in general, though, is all about you performing at your very best and becoming the best that you can be. The A to Z of personal success. It's a simple concept because there's 26 chapters. And chapter A is for attention. That's something that you better master, really. Chapter B is for belief. You want to master that one too. Now, the chapters are so small, they're like 4, 5, 6 pages. So it's really simple, it's really easy. You can pick it up, you can put it down, and it's guaranteed to give you that injection of personal development that you need to push forward in your life. Well, there you have it. Now, if you want to see which books that we'd recommend for every single entrepreneur, just click up there and you'll see the top 5 business books. And we've also got further free business resources in our learning center. The link is in the description below. Remember this though, being in business should give you more life. I'll see you on the next video.